Hey everyone! Welcome to Injured in Passaic, your legal questions answered. From Passaic Injury Pros, I'm Archel, your host. Today, I'll be answering some of the top questions we've seen on Google and social media. Real questions from real people who've been hurt and want to know what to do next. We're here to break it all down in plain English, no legal jargon. Be sure to follow us on social media, like this video, and subscribe for more.
Question 1. Do I have a case if I was injured in a car accident, but the other driver didn't get a ticket?
Yes, you still have a case. A traffic ticket isn't required for a personal injury claim. What matters is whether the other driver was negligent and whether that negligence caused your injuries. We build your case based on evidence, witness statements, police reports, photos, and medical records, not just citations.
Question 2. How much is my personal injury case worth?
Well, that depends on several factors. The severity of your injuries, medical expenses, lost wages, and how your injuries affects your life long term. In New Jersey, we also consider pain and suffering. Every case is different, so the best way to estimate value is to have a personalized consultation.
Question 3. How long do I have to file a personal injury claim in New Jersey?
Okay, so in most cases, you have 2 years from the date of injury to file a lawsuit in New Jersey. That's called the statute of limitations. But there are exceptions, especially if government entities are involved, so it's important to act quickly.
Question 4. Should I talk to the insurance company after an accident?
Yeah, you can notify them that the accident happened, but never give a recorded statement or accept a settlement without speaking to an authority first. Remember, insurance adjusters are trained to protect their company's interest, not yours. One wrong word can hurt your case.
Question 5. What if I was partially at fault for the accident?
In New Jersey, we follow a rule called modified comparative negligence. That means you can still recover damages as long as you were less than 51% at fault, but your compensation will be reduced by your percentage of fault. For example, if you're 20% at fault, you receive 80% of damages.
Question 6. How much does it cost to hire a personal injury lawyer?
Most personal injury attorneys work on a contingency fee basis. That means you pay nothing upfront, and we only get paid if we win your case. If we don't win, you don't owe us anything.
Question 7. How long will my case take?
So some cases settle in a few months, others take a year or more, especially if they go to trial. It really depends on the complexity of the case, how severe the injuries are, and whether the insurance company is willing to settle fairly. Our job is to move your case forward efficiently while protecting your rights.
Question 8. Do I have to go to court to win my injury case?
No, not necessarily. In fact, most personal injury cases settle out of court. We always prepare as if we're going to trial, but many insurance companies prefer to settle once they see we have a strong case. If we do go to court, we'll guide you through every step.
Question 9. What should I do right after an accident to protect my legal rights?
If you're following Passaic Injury Pros, you already know that. So first, get medical treatment, even if you feel okay. Second, take photos of the scene, your injuries, and property damage. Third, get contact info for witnesses. Fourth, report the accident to the police. And lastly, and most importantly, talk to an attorney before speaking to any insurance company.
Question 10. Can I get compensation for emotional distress or pain and suffering?
Yes, of course, absolutely. Emotional distress and pain and suffering are often part of what we call non-economic damages. They can be a significant portion of your compensation, especially in cases involving long-term pain, anxiety, and trauma. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Injured in Passaic, your legal questions answered. If you or someone you care about has been hurt in an accident and needs real answers, don't wait. Call us at 973-330-8281 or visit PassaicinjuryPros.com. The consultation is free and your recovery is our top priority. I'm Archel with Passaic Injury Pros. Be sure to follow us on social media, subscribe, and give this video a like so you can stay informed and empowered.